The town created a page on their website about where you could find EV chargers in the community. Okay, really useful information if you're trying to charge up your electric vehicle. Okay, but they put all the information in an image.
Yeah, yeah, yep.
And it's like, guys, this this is useful information. I should be able to find it in the search. You're not in the top results. Why aren't you in the top results? Why is the top result a company that basically lists everything in kilometers and says that this is information for the city of Acton, we're the town of Acton, pardon me. And oh, by the way, it's based in Les États-Unis, which is like, that's French for United States. It's like, who are these people writing this content? Why are they ranked number one? So the answer is sometimes the basics can still come back to bite you.